What's up, traders? 7-Star Mike here for the new Trade Talk Media, where we help retail traders simplify trading and increase their profits. If that sounds like something fun for you, click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the future content we've got planned for you. Like today's lesson, Trading Made Simple. Let's look at a multi-day resistance break that provides a low-risk entry. All right, let's take a look at Roku today. You can see I've got a resistance line on here. It doesn't quite line up with the high points that it hit earlier in the day. So why do I have that line there? We're going to take a look. We opened the day with a little dip. It dropped to 107.70. Went on a nice run from there. Little pullback, another run. Let's say you missed all that. Maybe you were watching this thinking you were chasing it by getting in somewhere along here, and you're looking for a new entry. And then it breaks out of this downward pattern here, and maybe you missed that, and you're thinking, okay, well, I've missed my chance on Roku. I can't trade this today. Well, here's a way to basically have a low-risk entry on a multi-day resistance. The reason I have this at 114.92 isn't because of today. We're going to move over here. This is a 10-day, 5-minute chart. You can see over here we have clear resistance. We tried to punch through it there, but we couldn't. Clear resistance here. I'll zoom in. You can see that line is 114.92. 1, 2, 3 times that was resistance. Let's zoom back out. You can see today that's where it's hovering under. It tried to break through a few times as well. We'll go back to the 1-minute chart for today. Tried to punch through it, couldn't. Tried again. Little resistance over here. Building up under that level. When it finally punches through, that is your low risk entry. Because again, going back to your other chart, there were a few times where it couldn't get through that level. It tries to get through it again today. So low risk because we're going to take an entry on the break of that 114.92. If we are wrong, we're going to drop down somewhere over here and we're going to know that we're wrong. Maybe we put a line below this support level over here, and that's going to be a low risk entry because the point where the cursor is at right there is 113.95. So what we're doing is giving this about $1 movement to the downside to see if this level here would hold as support. So we're getting out of the trade as close to the entry as possible. And if we're right, you can see that it went from 114.92 to 120.85. So you're still capturing a nice move. That's a 1-day move. We can look for tomorrow. Maybe there's continuation. But even if we just day traded this for the last hour and a half of the day, you're making money based on a multi-day resistance at this level, flirting with that level again today. And when it breaks through, boom, it finally runs away. That's how you take a multi-day resistance, look for the break to the upside to place a call or a common share trade, get those profits. That's how it's done. Let's do it again tomorrow.